Hello Divination and welcome to our brand new mini series, creating client documentation to empower your clients and save you time. In this mini series, we'll be showing you 5 ways you can create client documentation with the primary purpose of educating and empowering your clients while you save time in the process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this client resources page. This page has huge benefits. You can save time creating one-time videos or articles instead of answering the same question over and over again. This page also serves as a centralized hub for sharing strategies that help your clients, which positions you as an expert and trustworthy. You can add any content on this page as long as it's relevant to your clients. My top tip here is create videos that are frequently asked questions from your clients. Okay, so let me show you how to create the resources page. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here to pages and then click on add new, and we're going to call this page resources. We're going to click on use the Divi Builder and use Visual Builder. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a background color to this section. So I'm going to come here to section settings, and I'm going to change the background color or add the background color. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and save. And now let's add a new row. So I'm going to add a single row with a text module. Okay, so let's give this a title. So I'm going to come here to text orientation, make sure that is set to center, and then I'm going to type my title here, and my title is going to be client resources. Okay, so I'm going to go into design. Let's change the text color to white because we need that color to stand out. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to increase the text size. So I'm just going to increase until I get to about 30, and then I'm going to make this bold and all caps. And then I'm going to add some letter spacing. I think 1 is fine. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and save. Now let's add one more module. Again, it's going to be a text module. So I'm going to click on add new, add a new row, text. And then here is where we put our description. So I'm just going to type my description. Okay, our description is in place. So I'm going to set the text orientation to center. And then let's go into the design mode, increase the font size. In fact, let's change the color first. So we're going to change that to white. And then we're going to increase to about 20. That's looking good. And for the description, we don't need any letter spacing. Okay, so now that's looking fine. I'm going to go ahead and save. And then I want to do a few adjustments here. Okay, that's looking good. So what we need to do next is we need to add a new section. So I'm going to click on add. This time it's going to be regular. And we need 3 columns. So this time we're going to start off with the blurb. So I'm going to start off by adding the title. So my title here is how to live stream. I don't need a URL for this, so I'll leave it as it is. We definitely need an icon. So for the live streaming, let's just look for something that goes along with that. I'm going to go with this globe. Okay, that's looking fine. The icon color, let's change that to this orange. Okay, the placement is fine. Let's go into design. Now in the design mode, the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to adjust the size of the icon. So I'm just going to decrease that to about, say, 70. And then the header font size, we're going to increase that to about 20. We're going to make it bold and all caps. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And then I'm just going to scroll all the way down, and then here where it says custom margin on the bottom, let's add a 0. Okay, now that we're happy with that, let's go ahead and save. Now let's add a new module, and this time it's going to be a video module because that's where our video is going to go. So I'm going to click on video. Now it's time to go to YouTube to get our URL. So I'm going to open a new tab. Okay, so I'm going to select my video here. Copy the URL and then paste the URL here. Okay, so that's looking good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get rid of this text which is here because it's making this video look very busy. So I'm going to click on generate from video. And then now that's all cleaned up, and now we have an overlay. So that's looking good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go save, and then we're going to duplicate these so we can add more videos. So to do that, I'm just going to click this button here and then just drag it to place like that. We're going to do the same with the video. Drag it into position. So we need to do it one more time. Okay, so now that I've duplicated these, what you need to do now is to go in, change the icons, and then change the video. And then once you've done that, you need to duplicate the whole row because we need to have 6 videos. So I'm going to click duplicate row. So now we can see that we have all our 6 videos there. So go ahead, change all these icons and also change the video URLs. Okay, so now that we have all our videos in place, let's add one more section with our final message. So I'm going to click regular, single row. Okay, and we're going to add a text module. So let's set our text orientation to center, and then the message just needs to be more videos coming soon. Okay, so that's our final message. Let's go into design, make it slightly bigger. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and save. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do follow us on our social media platforms. We will be producing daily video quick tips similar to what you've seen today. So subscribing and following us on our social media platforms ensures that you are notified every time we post a video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.